Well, after the fail that was the last two videos, I think this one will be a success. Yes, this is the Alienware Aurora Pentium 4 desktop repair attempt 4. Yep. New heatsink bracket. And this will go on like so. Now we got to push down these little white tabs, locked in place, locked in place, locked in place, locked in place. Don't know what that was. But yes, we finally have a new heatsink mounting bracket in here. I have a Celeron at 1.7 gigahertz and a Pentium 4 at either 2 or 2.4 gigahertz. First off, I want to try booting it without putting the heatsink on first, because it's only got one coat of heatsink, so I don't want to waste it. If you remember correctly, this fan I had facing the wrong way. I fixed that off camera. And now, time to reassemble my monstrosity of a contraption here. I'm surprised this is only a 3-pin thing. But then again, it is Pentium 4. But then again, it is Pentium 4. The hottest CPU known to man. No joke. Mad scientist contraption. I will need a monitor, so let's steal one from the old Dell here. Already disconnected. So I'll have the monitor facing over here, or the camera facing over here, onto the monitor. In case you can't tell, yes, there are 2 video cards installed, because, you saw before, one didn't want to work very well. I'll plug in the monitor, so give me a second. Oh. Monitor's on. It's got a single video. No, it has no RAM in it. It will need RAM, so yep. I'm going to turn on the top fan. There we go. Dogs are barking because we just had like a ACT or CTI, whatever, security guy come in, put a ton of new security stuff on the house. And the dogs have been barking ever since. I have 9 minutes left. How am I going to do this? There we go, 4 cards that might work. So I'm going to put them all in. If I can. Yes, I have 3 dogs. They're all annoying. Come on, get in there. Nope, doesn't fit. That doesn't want to fit either. Come on. Oh, it's backwards. Why you do this? Here's the old card. Now it fits. I think 3 cards is going to be the max I can shove in there. Wait. Here's another Infineon card. There we go. There should be some amount of RAM. Now I have to just shove this into one of the video cards. Why you do this? Oh my god, the pin's bent. Why you do this? I got it. Plugged in. I'm going to point you over towards the monitor. I apologize for the messy room. I'm going to turn on the main power here. No video there. Let's try it on this one. Still no video. Why you do this? Why you do this? Gonna make it so it's only Infineon cards in here. Still none. Why don't you work? Why? 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 Three minutes of battery life left, which usually means 4, but still not going to risk it. I cannot get that to plug in. There's got to be another fan port somewhere. I don't know what to do. Help. Everything that needs to be plugged in is plugged in. What do I do? See you next time.